Hello guys, today we are going to present about Sanderson vs. Michigan High School Athlete Association case study. It is presented by Anthony Brown and Moo Kim. Okay, move on to case study. Plaintiffs are Ronald G. Sanderson and Craig M. Stanley. Defendant is Michigan High School Athlete Association. Volume number is 863. Page number is 483. Reporter name is Federal Supplement 1st and 2D Series. Court use is United States District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan. Summarize the case is both two plaintiffs went to different high school in same Michigan district, Adams High School and Grosse Pointe North High School. They both participated in cross-country and track teams for their school from freshman to junior year. Upon senior year of high school, due to learning disabilities in the past, they were ineligible to keep participating in interscholastic athletics under Michigan High School Athlete Association age limit regulation. Cause of action is both plaintiffs argued that they are being denied the right to compete in interscholastic athletics solely based on their disabilities in violation of the ADA and the Rehabilitation Act, MHCRA, and 42 U.S.C. The court deposition limited the opinion to the claims for violation of the ADA and Section 504 only.
Both Sanderson and Stanley were ineligible to participate in their senior year of cross-country and track due to their age limit. The exception put into place that only students whose birthday occurs on or after September 1st, 1975, but not before. Sanderson was diagnosed with auditory input disability, which hampered Sanderson's ability to distinguish between sounds, resulting in him starting kindergarten at 6, but was not considered graded until he was 7 years old. Whereas Stanley had a learning disability with mathematics, which made him repeat kindergarten and spend almost 5 years in special education classes. The laws issued in this case was the Rehabilitation Act of 1973, Americans with Disability Act, Michigan Handicappers Civil Rights Act, and Individuals with Disability Education Act. The Rehabilitation Act of 1973 comprised of 4 elements. The plaintiff is handicapped person under the Rehabilitation Act. The plaintiff is otherwise qualified for participation in the program. The plaintiff is being excluded from participating in, being denied the benefits of, or being subjected to discrimination under the program solely by the reason of his handicap/disability. The relevant program or activity is receiving federal financial assistance. Based on the factors, both Sanderson and Stanley were excluded from participation solely by the reason of age limit due to the MHSAA regulation. The concept of solely by reason of is an individual's disability being excluded from the participation or being denied benefits under any program or activity receiving federal financial assistance. The concept otherwise qualified, meaning the Rehabilitation Act, if he can meet all the program's necessary requirements despite the disability with reasonable accommodation. The 5 factors that determine if an athlete possesses an unfair competitive advantage due to age are the chronological age, physical maturity, athletic experience, athletic skill, and mental ability. The court concluded that Sanderson and Stanley were excluded solely by the reason of age. Age requirements cannot be waived due to the disability because an overage individual is not otherwise qualified.